Hi. In this video I would like to show you the user interface in UIS.WMS system. In this video, we will not show the detailed implemented processes, but will look at user experience while using the system. UIS.WMS is our own development, based on Oracle platform. There are 3 ways how a user can interact with the system. Via web browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge, and Internet Explorer 11. Via UIS Thin App for desktop. And, via mobile device and UIS Thin App mobile. Web browser is the best to use by warehouse operators, logistics department, and clients, since it makes the data sharing easier. Desktop and mobile apps are designed for warehouse personnel, since it minimizes the possibility of human mistakes and reduces the learning period. Let's start with the web browser. As a demo, we will use Microsoft Edge browser on Windows. Run the browser and enter the system address. Now we are on login page. Enter the username and password. We are on the main page. At the top of the page, you can see a user menu that includes workplaces, catalogs, documents, reports, import, settings. Each menu item contains links for opening appropriate forms. For example, let's open Document menu, Inbound Plan. When opening catalogs or documents, you will always see the list of catalogs or documents of a certain type. In our case, it's Inbound Plans. At the top of the form we can see the name of current tab. Lower, Search field, Action menu, and Add button for creating a new document. A table takes the most of the form space. You can perform certain quick actions by pushing on column heading. For example, you can search. Filter by value. Or set up a sorting. Alternative search is available via the search field. It allows to search in all table as well as for certain columns. Action menu gives you an access to full settings. For example, you can choose which columns to show. Filter the list. Or add group by fields. Then you need to choose the supplier item and you will see the list grouped by supplier to China and test 1. Now let's open the document. Press on the document number and ID column. Document form consists of the following functional blocks. Current section, at the top of the page. Then to the left, document heading. To change the heading you need to press Edit. You can see the editing form. You can change certain fields and save or discard changes. To the right, you can see the status history. Below you can find the table part. It is similar in work to list of objects and has the same principles for filters, search and list settings. Also, you can add or change rows. Reports work a bit different. In our case, we will show the inbound analysis report. Choose the partner. Choose the plan inbound document. The system will create a pivot. Working with pivot is the same as in Excel. You can move grouped fields. And set up filters. In this, the system changes the pivot promptly. That is all I wanted to say about web interface, so let's move to the next way of interaction with the system. UIS Thin App is a universal desktop app. It is supported on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. UIS Thin App doesn't include any business logic, so all business logic is requested from the app server. Thus, any changes in business logic don't require the reinstalling or updating of all clients' PCs or mobile devices. The universal app assumes that it runs when the system is started and the user cannot close the app. All actions can be done only using a keyboard without the mouse. The user interface is quite simple, that allows training the personnel during the short period, up to 1 hour. So, to log into the system you need to enter PIN code or scan your badge. Enter the correct PIN code. Now you can see the list of options. Choose inbound. Choose storage. Choose the document. You can go back to the previous page pressing escape. To block the screen, press F12. If you log in again from any device, you will get to the same point you finish your work last time. In our example, we get to choose the document page. Choose the document. At the top of each page, you can see a call to action for the user. In our case, it is scan the container. You can enter the barcode with keyboard or barcode scanner. Let's scan the container barcode. Scan the item's barcode. At the top of the list of recent actions, you can see our last action and time. Now let's look at UIS Thin app for mobile devices. It is supported on Android devices version 4 and more and Windows Mobile. A mobile app has the same principles as in PC version. Enter the PIN code. You can do it using an integrated barcode scanner or keyboard integrated into the device. As in the previous example, we get to choose the action page. Choose inbound. Then choose storage. Choose the same document as in the previous example. Scan the same container as in the previous example. You can see the list of recent actions and the last actions taken in the previous case at 10 hours 39 minutes. Then the work is identical to the PC version. You can scan the barcode or enter it manually. Thus, we have considered all three ways of working with UIS.WMS and show the user experience. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at info@uislab.com.